Hi, I'm Nathan, one of the co-founders here at TestJump. Today I want to talk to you about the Atlas Behavior Map. You can think about Atlas as like the living brain of your project. It stores everything that we know about the thing that you're building. Now, Atlas maintains two distinctly separate views. First, you have the site map. Think of this as like a street map, showing where all the destinations and buildings are. Today we're focusing on the behavior map. Think of this as the diagram of the traffic flows. It reveals the actual routes that people take to get to those destinations. It's where we stop looking at tests like flat lists of files and start seeing them for what they really are, user journeys. Let's have a look at it in action. Here's the behavior map. Instead of a boring list, we visualize your tests as a living tree. Over here, you can clearly see how two broad pathways, one for the manager flow and another for the employee flow, coexist. When I click on a node, I can get an instant bit of context. I can see exactly what the UI looks like at this specific moment, and exactly which tests pass through this point. This isn't just a pretty picture. When ExploredShip runs these tests, it indexes the screen state at every single step. It correlates your behavior, what the user does, with your structure, where they are. It's kind of like Google Maps for the agent, since each test details a specific pathway through the app. The agent can use it just like a GPS system to find its way around. Let's say I'm looking at this node and think, I bet we're missing some edge cases. I don't have to write a new script. I can click Expand Suite from this node, and the agent begins to check the map. It doesn't just guess. It follows the path to reach this exact state, takes a look at the screen, and identifies alternate branches that we haven't tested yet. It figures out what's missing, creates a journey plan, executes it, and then automatically saves those new journeys as permanent tests. It works the other way too. Let's say you just pushed a fix to the checkout function, but you don't want to run your entire test suite. Just click the checkout node and tell ExploredShip to run ExploredShip from here. Because it has the map, the agent creates a hyper-focused mission, hunting for bugs only in that specific area. That's the Atlas Behavior Map. It's the perfect tool to help you visualize your coverage and understand your journeys and let AI fill in any gaps. Give it a play and let us know what you think. And as always, keep on testing.